Hey guys, I just received and assembled this dog kennel. It has a pretty cool appearance, very easy to assemble. All the walls are metal. These latches are aluminum. Just unlock those and open this door. This door can stay closed. There's a separate latch for it. You can open the doors like that. There's also a door on this side. Has a very nice top here. Let me show you what it looks like on the bottom. Has a pretty cool base. So it has these bases right here that hold this board firm. And it has these legs on each side. Very good and solid construction of this unit. It's very sturdy. I love these double doors, honestly. Just makes it very cool. That just latches in there. That's how these work. There's 2 per door. There's one right here. This is a great option to put in your living space because it does look like a furniture piece, does not look like just a regular cage. So that's why I love it. It measures about 38 inches wide, 24.5 inches deep, and 28 inches high. Looks very nice.